Okay, so this game-changing AI tool is here, which is called GPT, which is released recently, and it is taking internet by storm. So let me show you how it is advantageous for us and what we can do with ChatGPT and make our life simple. So give a Google search of ChatGPT and you'll see this link. Click on this link and then you can click on try ChatGPT. You can log in with your Gmail ID. I am already logged in. In this video, I'm going to give some example from simple to complex, what it can do for us. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. For the people who run a blog and they want to write some blogs and they want some ideas about the blog, they can give a topic to ChatGPT and ask it to write a blog post for you. For example, let me say how to make money online. And this is really nice because it works in an interactive way. For example, if you ask something to ChatGPT and it doesn't provide you something what you're looking for, you can ask it to rephrase it, or you can give some input to it. Okay, this is not right, and then ChatGPT gonna rephrase it or rewrite for you. Okay, so you can see it gives us 5 ideas to how to make money online, sell products or services. You can always freelance services. You can start a blog or YouTube channel, take online service, buy and sell online. I'll suggest you don't copy paste it directly like this. Take some inspiration and it's a really nice plot for a blog. Okay, let's add something more complex to ChatGPT. So you can see this is my website and I want to ask ChatGPT to make this logo 50% smaller. So I'll ask ChatGPT, make logo 50% smaller in extra theme WordPress, and let's see what it gives us. So you can see ChatGPT gives us 2 solutions how we can make logo 50% smaller. First, we can go to WordPress dashboard, then go to site identity and choose logo width and adjust the value to 50% and publish, and then our logo will be 50% smaller. But what else we can do? We can use this CSS code and we can paste it on the site to make the logo 50% smaller. The best thing about ChatGPT AI is it does not only give us the CSS code, but it also tells us where we should put this code. So it tells us we have to go to custom CSS option, which we can find under appearance, then customize, then additional CSS. So now I'm into additional CSS on my website and I add this code and then I click on publish. Now I'll go back to my website. If I refresh the page, you can see our logo is 50% smaller. And make sure guys, when you ask some question like this, you should try to include as much information as possible so you get the correct answer. For example, I added here extra theme WordPress. So it is giving me a very relevant example how I can make this change for extra theme in WordPress. Another very good example. Recently, a client of mine asked me to add some text here on all the products on the website. And this website contains thousands of products. Either I can go to products one by one, or I can use ChatGPT to write a code which can add some text to all the products on my website. So I asked ChatGPT to add a text on single product page WooCommerce using functions.php. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, our solution is generated. If you can see us, ChatGPT told me to copy this code and add this to function.php file. So I'll go to functions.php file and add this code and then update the file. Now I'll go back to my website and refresh the page. And you can see this is our custom text, but it is not added where I want it. So if I want to add this text here, I can go back to ChatGPT and give this some instruction. One more thing, you can see here, this is the beauty about ChatGPT. It is not only telling you how you can add this code to product pages, it is also telling if you want to add this code only to a specific product, how you can do that. You can see they added this code of line here. So if product ID is equal to 123, you can add your own ID here, and then this message will be appear only on that particular product. So as we saw, this is not showing on the right place. We can go back here and give it some more instructions. Move this text after cart button. So new code is ready, and this is the beauty about the ChatGPT. It gives you a lot of information. You can really improve your knowledge. It is teaching you about the priority. Here it said the priority 35, and by setting the priority 35, the text will be displayed after the add to cart button, which has default priority of 30. So this is really amazing, guys. Okay, let's try this new code. So I'll paste this code and I'll update the file. And I'll refresh the page and you can see this is my custom text. It saved me so much time. Instead of going to every individual products, I can use this code by ChatGPT and add a custom text to all the products on my website. Let's see one more example. If I want to remove this whole section to apply coupon code, can ChatGPT do this for us? Let's try. So I asked ChatGPT to remove coupon code section from cart page using function.php. So you can see it gives 2 solutions. This is to disable the coupon code completely from the website, and if I want, I can use the following code and remove the coupon code section from the cart page. So let's copy this code and add to our function.php file. I'll go back to the cart page, refresh the page. You can see the coupon code section is gone. ChatGPT did really nice work. Okay, let's add some more complex thing. If your website goes bad, you have some error on your website, how ChatGPT can help you to solve these errors. So I'll ask ChatGPT, solve error establishing database connection WordPress. Let's see what ChatGPT provides us. So ChatGPT provides us 5 possible reasons why I'm seeing this error on my website. If you search on Google, you find unlimited number of blogs and you will be lost that which solution to take. We got 5 solutions here. Check your database credentials. They tell you that you need to go to wconfig file and make sure they're correct. Check your database server. if it is running or not. This happens when your website is overloaded. because it's possible that some of WordPress file and website may be corrupt or damaged, thus making this database connection error. Check for plugin conflicts and it tell you how you can troubleshoot for plugin conflicts, and check for corrupt database. And you can use WordPress repair tool to solve this problem. And if you want to know more from ChatGPT how you can do this, just paste this thing, WordPress repair tool. This is so amazing. And what I love about this thing, it not just tell you the solution, it is telling you what I say you all the time: back up your WordPress website. This is so amazing. Google cannot do this thing. So once you back up a website, then you can access to WordPress repair tool. How you can access this? Like this. You can add $repair is equal to 1 in the end of your website URL. It give you example also. If it is your website URL, you can add this parameter at end of your WordPress URL, and then you can access the WordPress repairs tool. You will have two options: repair database and repair and optimize database. And then you wait for repair process to complete, and it's tell you do not close the browser window and navigate away from the page while the repair is in progress. Check the website. If it is not done, contact your host. I love this thing. If you got some value out of this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know how to create a WordPress plugin and a WordPress theme using ChatGPT, check this video on your screen.